Good morning, my dear student. Today, inshallah, we will start lesson 2 on unit 5, representing data. Let's see together. In our lesson, we will study two methods to represent a data by the histogram and the frequency polygon. As we studied before on the lesson 1, we collecting and organizing our data by using, cumulative frequency table. Here we wanted to represent it. So the first method is representing data by a histogram. What is the meaning of a histogram? Histogram is a way to represent the data that uses vertical columns to show frequencies. So we will use on this way, we will use columns to represent it. How, teacher? Here, for this example, here this table shows the frequency distribution of the marks of 40 pupils in a mathematics examination. So the first row means the sets. Here set 10, set 20, set 30, set 40, and set 50. And the second row here, the frequency of each set. Okay, how to draw a histogram? Here, our histogram, or this is the columns. But how we draw it? First, we draw two axes. Here, this is x-axis. This is represents the sets, and y-axis represent the frequency. The first set here in our table here, as I said for you, the first set here is 10. Set 10 and the frequency is 5. Here we determine here first the set axis. Here our set is 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So each square here from 0 to 10 here, the first set, then 20, then 30, and so on. Okay, and the frequency or y-axis here, we have different frequency here, 5, 7, 12. So what I will do here, we must determine it into the same numbers, or each time I will add more the same numbers or exceed by the constant number. So here I make all of them even numbers. So starting with 2, then 4. So each time I will add 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So we can't make it here 1, then here 2, then here 5. No. Here we must be the same constant number between them. If here I start with, here we have 0. Or this is the middle point between these two axes, 0. So here, if I start here with 2, so each time I will add 2. If I start with 1, so each time I will add 1, and so on. Okay, then how to draw? Here, the first set is 10, set 10, and the frequency 5. So here, from our set here 10, I will determine it here, and here, where is 5? Where is 5? Here, the 5 between what? Between 4 and 6, here in the middle between them. So I will draw with my pencil. Okay, draw here a line, starting here our set, here a line. Tell what the next set. Why, teacher? Because this is a set, not a number. Set is a group of numbers. So here set 10, that means what? All numbers 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, till 19. So all of them with me. So I will start with the set, then to reach to the next set. So I will start again. I said it again. I will start with my set here, set 10, till I reach to the next set. Here's 20, and close my column. Then I wanted to draw the second column. Here, set 20, the frequency of it, 7. So 7 here between what? Between 6 and, 8, here in the middle, here. So I will draw here 20. So here I will draw with my pencil, a line like that. Then by using my ruler, I close it here till I reach, to the second set. To the next set. set. 2 here represent all of my sets, because this is set 20 to reach to the number before 30, here 29, okay? So all of this with me, and so on. That means, teacher, here, all the columns beside each other like that? Yes. Again, all the column will be beside each other. Okay, this is the first way. What is the second way to represent data? We will represent data by a frequency polygon. Again, a frequency polygon. What the meaning of a frequency polygon? A frequency polygon is a graph in the form of a broken line. Again, a broken line. So I will draw it by using my pencil and a ruler. Okay, here. So how to draw it? In the same example here, we make it as here. This is means the broken line. The same sets and the same here x-axis sets and the same frequency here y-axis. Here I set for you on set number 10. Here we have 5. Okay, how I draw here? I didn't draw the column because this is what a frequency polygon. Okay, so in the middle between here we have all of these 5. So I will draw a small line like that with my pencil. In the middle between 10 and 20, in the middle here between them, I will draw, yes, the first point that represent set 10. So set 10 here, we will draw it in the middle between set 10 and the next to it, yes, set 20. What about set 20? Set 20 here is what? Is 7 on our table. Okay, look at it with me. So here in our tables, what about here? 7 here, teacher. So here all of them is set 20, right? As I said for you, here from 20 till I reach to 30. In the middle of it, between 20 and 30, I will draw, yes, here like 1 point only, 1 point. Then here in the middle between 20 and 30. Okay, again, what about the next? Here we have 30, here's 12. Set 30, 12. So here on our y-axis, 12 here. I will draw a line like that. What about here? All of them till I reach to the next one, set 40, all of them in the middle between 30 and 40. Yes, I will draw in the middle of it. Okay, so that means, teacher, I will make center of between here 10 and 20, yes, and between 20 and 30, yes, the center of them. Like here 10, I make the central of them, but I prefer like my way, okay, to make here 10 plus 20, then divided 2. So 10 plus 20 divided 2, here give me 30, divided 2 give me 15. So here in the middle, here is 15. Okay, so and so on, I will complete. After making all my points, I will join between them by using my ruler. Okay, now we finish our explanation and I will start our exercises. Here, page 187. But first of all, I will show you our copy here, or the notebook, graph notebook. We use it here. You will open it and draw here and write our table here. Okay, so in each question we will make it in one paper. Here page 187, exercise number 1, we will draw our table. Okay, because here in our exercise we have many tables, so you don't confuse yourself. Okay, so here on this paper I will draw x-axis that represents sets and y-axis that represent the frequencies.